डायरेक्टर संजय लीला भंसाली स्क्रिप्ट राइटर ताबिश रोमानी से काफी खफा हैं, जिनका ये कहना है कि संजय लीला भंसाली की फिल्म गुजारिश उनकी स्क्रिप्ट पर बेस्ड है। बता दें, रोमानी फिल्म राइटर्स एसोसिएशन के मेंबर हैं एंड दिस एसोसिएशन हैज बैक्ड द राइटर्स ओरिजिनल क्लेम ऑफ प्लेगरिज्म अगेंस्ट भंसाली, वेयर भंसाली is being asked to pay ₹10 lakh as remuneration for plagiarism, but both parties had an out-of-court settlement and Romani was paid ₹3 lakh. राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा ने अपनी आने वाली फिल्म मिर्जा के लिए साहिबान कैरेक्टर के लिए सियामी खेर को फाइनल कर लिया है। शबाना आजमी सियामी had to go through a proper audition procedure and was finally casted for this role. This is Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's biggest dream and the shooting will start by this September. खबरों की माने तो एक्ट्रेस प्रियंका चोपड़ा is really working hard on her next film Marry Com. This biopic and preparing for the film doesn't seem like a cakewalk for PC. Recently, the actress suffered injuries and one happened when a mistimed punch landed under her right eye while she was shooting at Dharamshala. Actor Rani Mukherjee is not seen on the big screen for quite a while और हाल ही में उनकी और आदित्य चोपड़ा की शादी की खबरों ने भी काफी रफ्तार पकड़ी थी। But talking about her film, it seems like a secret. Rumors are doing rounds that it's going to be produced by Aditya Chopra and रानी को हम एक कॉप के रोल में देखेंगे। करण जौहर ने रिसेंटली कहा कि पार्टी अभी बाकी है। The director and the producer wanted to throw a bash on the success of Two States as he co-produced the film along with Sajid Nadiadwala. Sajid के कंट्री में ना होने की वजह से party has gone on hold. Sajid is shooting with Salman in Poland and Karan is eagerly waiting for his arrival. Ever since her debut, Huma Qureshi has been facing criticism because of being overweight. But now it seems like the actor has decided to lose extra kilos. इन दिनों हम हुमा को एक लीनर लुक के लिए कड़ी मेहनत करते देख रहे हैं और ये सब इसलिए भी हो रहा है as she is doing her next film opposite Varun Dhawan. The project will be directed by Sriram Raghavan and the film will go on the floors in a couple of months. नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग फिल्म के डायरेक्टर हंसल मेहता ने रिसेंटली एक टैबलॉइड को दिए इंटरव्यू में कहा he fears rejection but he doesn't give up. After years of struggle and rejection, he won his first national award as best director for his sensitive film Shahid and now he expects the same from his next film City Lights. Former couple Deepika Ranbir will be seen sharing space on screen in Imtiaz Ali's upcoming movie. The movie's name and release dates have not been announced, but Deepika is all excited and extremely looking forward to this film. Ileana D'Cruz will be soon acting with cricketer Virat Kohli. बता दें कि ये किसी मूवी के लिए नहीं, in fact it's for a shampoo ad. Anushka Sharma is supposed to feature in the ad along with Virat Kohli, but Anushka cannot allot her dates for the same and therefore the maker stepped in Ileana. Actor Ayushmann Khurrana has denied reports that he is doing Akshay Kumar's next production venture, tentatively titled Mubarkan. Rumors were doing the rounds that Akshay had roped in the 29-year-old VJ turned actor for his comic caper, which will be co-produced by Ashwini Yarde under their banner Hariom Productions. Queen की सुपर सक्सेस के बाद कंगना is again back as Revolver Rani and she would battle it out with musical Kanchi and thriller Samrat and Company at the box office when the threesome hit the screens this Friday. Actor Arjun Kapoor Two States की कामयाबी से खुश भी हैं और रिलीफ भी. The actor said that children were scared of him after his first two releases, Ishaq Zadeh and Gunde, but he is now glad that Two States has changed things for him. Imran Hashmi's son Ayan has been detected with Wilms tumor in its second stage and it is being treated in Toronto, where he is with his mother. Imran भी वहाँ 1 महीने तक रहे, लेकिन अपनी शूटिंग की वजह से Feb 14 को उनको वापस आना पड़ा. He is currently in Cape Town finishing shooting for Raja Natwarlal and Mr. X, post which he will join his son in Toronto middle of May. Non-vegetarians know how difficult it is to quit food with blood and flesh, but Kangana Ranaut has achieved doing that. और अब पिछले 2 महीने से Kangana has gone pure vegetarian with sheer willpower. And she said, "It was hard to leave and I won't say that I don't crave it, but you can do it with your willpower." Junior B ने कहा that he did not choose kabaddi. In fact, the sport has chosen him. In a recent interview, he said that it's a traditional sport and is yet to receive its due in cricket crazy nation. Being a sports lover, he wanted to change the perception about the game in India.